Every living thing is made of water. Consider the following Quranic verse. Do not the unbelievers see that the heavens and the earth were joined together as one unit of creation before we clove them asunder? We made from water every living thing. Will they not then believe? Al-Quran, chapter 21, verse 30. Only after advances have been made in science do we now know that cytoplasm, the basic substance of the cell, is made up of 80% water. Modern research has also revealed that most organisms consist of 50 to 90% water and that every living entity requires water for its existence. Was it possible 14 centuries ago for any human being to guess that every living being was made of water? Moreover, would such a guess be conceivable by a human being in the deserts of Arabia where there has always been scarcity of water? The following verse refers to the creation of animals from water. And Allah has created every animal from water. Al-Quran, chapter 24, verse 45. The following verse refers to the creation of human beings from water. It is He who has created man from water. Then has He established relationships of lineage and marriage, for thy Lord has power over all things. Al-Quran, chapter 25, verse 54.